to make pumpkin snickerdoodle cookies today.
Okay. Oh, there's still some in there. Under the bowl right here. Okay, 1.5 teaspoons. Okay, good. Get it all in, don't let it spill. Good job. In a separate bowl, mix 1/3 cup of sugar and a tablespoon of cinnamon, and you'll roll the dough into this. I like to use a cookie scoop. It just makes your cookies all look uniform, and then scoop it onto a tray. Then take the dough and roll it in the cinnamon and sugar. Just came out of the oven. So we cooked them for 15 minutes because these were the bigger size. If you did a smaller cookie size, then I would do probably like 9 to 12 minutes. I mean, do our cookies look good? So these cookies turned out so yummy. They tasted like a snickerdoodle with a little hint of pumpkin and are perfect for fall. Thanks for watching and hope you guys try and make them.